Welcome to Fareclock, where we automate timekeeping and control attendance. Hi there, I'm Shine, and in this tutorial we'll cover a comprehensive guide to setting up your free trial. Let us start by going to our website at fareclock.com. Click the free trial button on the upper right of your screen. Now in this page, you have the option to either enter your email address and create a password or log in via one of our supported providers, Google, Apple, and Microsoft. You will need to fill out all form fields and agree to the term of use and privacy policy. And after that, click the Sign Up button. After successfully filling out the form, an activation email will be sent to your email address. Check your email and click on the enclosed activation link. This will activate your account. After clicking this, click Manage Account in this page. In here, you can change your account password. You can also check the sign-in devices and the sign-in methods and enable two-step verification for added privacy. After managing your account settings, click Go to Console. Now on this page, you need to enter your company's details, provide the organization's information, the organization's name and time zone, and provide the pay period information of this organization. Once you complete the setup, you can now access a wide range of additional settings. After setting up the company's details, click Next. Once you are already on this page, select the free plan and click the Start Free Trial to finalize your setup. That's it. Welcome to Fareclock. You can now access Fareclock's dashboard and you're all set to automate timekeeping and take control of attendance with ease. Dive into a smoother, more efficient workflow and watch productivity soar. Thank you for watching this tutorial on setting up a free trial on Fareclock. For more guides and tips, be sure to visit our help center at support.fareclock.com. Happy time tracking! Bye!